Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today I've got a quick 5-minute morning meditation for you. So, good morning. I hope your day is off to a great start. If you woke up feeling a little grumpy like I did today, that's fine. Hopefully this will help you a little bit. So let's get started. As always, if it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes. As always, if not, just lower your gaze, as long as you're bringing your lens inwards and really focusing on how you feel. This 5 minutes is for you, so just focus on you today. All right, we're going to start by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to first start by taking just a few moments to focus on how you're feeling today. Like I said, I hope it's been a great morning for you so far, but if not, that's okay. It's okay to have a bad morning every now and again, just like it's great to have a good morning now and again. We're going to start to set our intention for the day. What energy do you want to bring to your day? It could be excited, content, creative. However you're feeling is right. And again, we're going to check in with ourselves and see how we're feeling. If you notice you're feeling any tenseness anywhere, just breathe some relaxation into that area. We're going to relax our shoulders down, back, away from the ears. We're going to roll our neck in either direction, just loosening up the area we carry a lot of stress. Bringing our attention to the breath, not changing it or forcing it in any way. And focusing on that intention that we set. We're going to deepen our breath by breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose, filling our belly up all the way. And out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if it feels right, you can bring your hands to your chest, giving yourself a little thank you. We can open our eyes. Well, I hope your day is off to a better start now. I hope you've set a wonderful intention for your day, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining us today on Hubgrass Meditation. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.